News everywhere.
As we speak, some of them, they were supposed to travel yesterday for the conference, but they have not received their passports.
The 24th International AIDS Conference, one of the largest globally, is set to begin later this week here in Montreal, but many delegates and attendees from across the world still haven't been able to get their visas to be able to make the trip, leaving many facing the reality that they may not be able to attend.
It's a bittersweet moment for myself.
We last spoke to Tinashe Rufurwadzo, part of Y Plus Global, an international organization that promotes the voices of youth living with HIV earlier this month.
I think we are also trying to jump through hoops of fire with our influence and engagement advisor and the events coordinator being denied visas.
Since then, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada announced it would be prioritizing the processing of visa applications for delegates attending the conference. And according to the conference's local co-chair, the amount of delegates that do not have their visas has dropped from 800 to 200, but many are still in limbo.
I have not yet received it. I was supposed to have traveled yesterday. We have also paid accommodation with other colleagues who are also trying to postpone their flights in case they might receive their passports before the end of the conference. But we are also looking at having 2 days that is left to the International AIDS Conference, which is also leaving many people not quite sure on what exactly they should do.
Leading up to the conference, many criticized Canada for bidding to host the event, spending millions on it without making sure all attendees would be given a visa to be able to attend. An attendee for the conference and founder of the African Alliance for HIV Prevention tweeted, after nearly $20,000 in visa fees, biometric costs, travel back and forth, public fights for visas, and today's refusal by United Airlines for us to board, we are canceling our AIDS conference participation to avoid further loss. Another tweeting, 69% of people with HIV live in Africa. I'm attending AIDS 2022 in Montreal this week with very mixed emotions. Hundreds of delegates from Africa cannot attend due to visa denials. Global health, which excludes important voices from poor countries, cannot be effective. This must change. Many, like Rufurwadzo, are now forced to partake virtually.
I'm not going to be there in person, but there are also other young people from Africa, other young people who are living with HIV, other young people who are also affected and most at risk of HIV who are going to be at this conference speaking in sessions. And also we are going to be joining virtually and making use of some other communication platforms to ensure that the voices of young people in all our diversity are also amplified.
In Montreal, Felisha Adam, City News.